The following program consists of 3 concurrent processes and 3 binary semaphores. So the semaphores are initialized as S0 is 1, S1 is 0 and S2 is 0, and this is the code that these processes P0, P1 and P2 are running. So how many times will process P0 print 0? So at least twice, exactly thrice or exactly once. So let's say that these semaphores are initialized to 1, 0 and 0. Let's take a look at the code which P0, P1 and P2 are running. P1 waits on S1, but S1 is currently 0, so P1 cannot start execution. Similarly, P2 is waiting on S2, S2 is currently 0, so P2 cannot also start. Only process P0 which is waiting on S0 can begin because S0 has been initialized to 1. Also we see that process P0 can run multiple times while true, whereas P1 and P2 are running only once. So let's see how many times this process P0 can print a 0. So what are the possible ways of execution? One is that process P0 runs, and then after it has run, it will print a 0. Then it releases S1 and S2. So S1 process P1 is waiting on this. S2 process P2 is waiting on this. So this can be one possible execution, that P0 runs, then it releases S1 and S2. So now S1 and S2 have been released, so P1 can then run, then P2 can run, and both, because they are releasing S0, then process P0 can run again. So this is one way of execution. Another way of execution is that first P0 runs, then P1 runs, and because P1 has released S0, so P0 runs again. Now it releases S2, so P2 can run, and then because P2 has released S0, again P0 can run. So let's say if this happens, what will happen? P0 will run, so it will wait on S0, so S0 will become 0 over here, it will print a 0, it will release S1, so S1 will become 1, it will release S2, so S2 will also become 1. Now process P1 can run because it was waiting on S1 and S1 has become 0. So when it says wait S1, again S1 becomes 0 and it releases S0, so S0 becomes 1 again. Now P2 can run because S2 was also released. So P2, when it waits on S2, this becomes 0 and it releases S0, but S0, it's a binary semaphore, so S0 is already 1, so this remains 1, and now since S0 is 1, P0 can run again because it is waiting on S0, and when it runs again, it can again print a 0. So that is one way in which these processes can be executed. So this resulted in 2 printing of these these zeros. Another way that this can be executed, these processes can be executed, is that first P0 runs, so it waits on S0, S0 becomes 0, it prints 0, releases S1 and releases S2. Now P1 runs, so it waits on S1, so this becomes 0 and it releases S0, so this becomes 1. P0 starts running again because S0 has been released, so when it waits on S0, this becomes 0 again, it prints a 0 and then it releases S1, so this becomes 1 and it releases S2, which was already 1. Now P2 starts running, so P2, it waits on S2, S2 now becomes 0, it releases S0, so S0 becomes 1 and now P0 starts running again, so it again follows all these statements and prints 0. So this set of statements can either print the zeros twice or it can print the zeros 3 times. So our option would be at least twice.